How to fix and solve too many requests on Xbox Game Pass app. Hello everybody, if you're having that issue on the app of Xbox, you may follow up the steps. So, the number one method is you need to wait for 10 to 15 minutes, then try again. In some cases, it may even take up to an hour. And so wait for it and again try opening the application Xbox on your device. If that doesn't work, what you can do is force close and restart the app. So long press on the app, go to the info section at the top, and then once you go over here, scroll down and you should be finding storage. You may go ahead and clear cache and data. Otherwise, when you head back, you should be finding option called force stop. Tap on this option, and once that is done, close the settings and then reopen the app. This refreshes the sessions and clears any temporary glitches. Another thing is you may need to uninstall the application. So long press on the app and you should be finding uninstall option on your screen. You may go ahead and do that and reinstall the application again in order to do so. Apart from that, you may also switch to Wi-Fi and see if that works. Sometimes the issue is on the Microsoft side as well. So if there is any issues with the Game Pass service, wait for Microsoft to fix it. If the error doesn't still go away, you can head over to support.xbox.com, and then from here use the virtual agent or the live chat to report the issue. Another tip is don't use any kind of third-party tools or unofficial apps with your Xbox account, as that can make things worse. So wait for it, be patient, and that should probably help you in order to fix and solve too many requests on Xbox Game Pass apps for now. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next one.